Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello, hello. How are you doing? Hello, everyone. Let me just move that here. How are you? Is the audio okay? Market hit your heart. Hi, farming. Hi, farming. How are you doing? Welcome back. Jawek, Aksar, how are you? Bear with me a second. I'm just trying to set a few things here and there. Just a second. How's market treating you? We are waiting for SAAI. Let's give him a second or two, no more than 2 seconds. All right, I'm going to share my screen in the meantime. Let's do some. Let me show the entire screen. All right. Are you able to see my screen? Nope. All right. All right. Can you? Okay, it's okay now. Fantastic. Good evening, SAAI. Hello, official Joshua. Farming, yes, watching from Philippines. You are a regular here. Thanks for being here. Okay, let's go up. Have you been trading gold or crazy Nasdaq or crazy any other market? It seems like things are a bit calmer this week. Volatility is still high, but not as much as it was last week. So I've been trading, I'm going to show you the trades I've been doing today on my real account, on my personal account. And I've been trading very comfortably. You wanted to watch how I trade? Yeah, get ready. Because market today, it's been performing smoothly, like I like it. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and I'm gonna show you what I've been doing this morning. Quite busy. I have a few trades here, all longs, here, up, 2 on break even, but that was good. Up, break even. You know, I take some partials along the way, so it's very common. Let me just zoom in a little bit more. It's very common to see when the trade is on my favor, I'm starting closing bits of the trade. Another buy here, up, another buy here, up. It's been crazy. That was a loss. I took a loss here, small one, but a loss regardless. Another win, a loss, second. But if you can see this loss, I only entered with one lot, so it was testing the waters. I was sure this wasn't a setup, so I decided just to go in because the setup was there, but lower the risk, and it worked out. And
Hi, Rosa.
amazing. Hi, Sam. How are you doing?
How are you doing?
Yeah, just waiting for you. Thought you forgot. How are you doing?
All good, all good, all good. It's been very long. I think I joined the stream after like maybe 2 months. Been
Oh,
traveling.
okay, yeah. How's golf treating you?
Pretty well, to be honest.
Yeah.
Pretty smooth. Yeah, very smooth.
Are you on any trade today?
I took some buys during Asia. Right now there are no trades at the moment, but let's see if I can find something.
So you trade the Asia session as well?
Yeah, I do trade the Asia session as well.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty late for us, right? I think it's around 1 a.m. in the
Oh,
UK.
wow.
So it's
Yeah,
almost same for you in Europe as well, right?
yes, it is nearly the same. That's why I'm surprised because 1 a.m. in the at night is quite late.
Yeah.
But you sleep, I think I assume you sleep during the day a little bit.
Yeah, I sleep around 1:30. I finish by 1:30 and I sleep.
Okay.
So I wake up around 7 before the pre-London Open. So it's like 6 to 7 hours.
Okay. Let's see how it goes. What about people on the chat? How many trades you had for the day, Rosa? Farming's asking me how many trades. I don't know. Let's count them. Because remember, it's trade ideas. What I do. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the final one, 9. But I don't usually take many trades, that many. There's no need for that because my risk is very high when I'm trading. But today the market volatility was spotless, so it was good. It was I don't know, it was functioning the way I like it, very smoothly. So that's why I took that many trades. Usually I take 1, 2, 3 tops, and that's it. So yeah, 9 it's a bit too much, but I had to take the chance. So it's like I had to take advantage of the situation. And I'm going to trade again if I have the opportunity. Just waiting for. Is there any news today? Haven't
Yeah.
checked.
Yeah, there is ADP, I think.
What time? Let me check. 7 minutes. Okay. Just bear with me a second. 7 minutes. Gold has been crazy last week. Um, Many people got rich, but many people died in the way. 80, 100 points, a 1 minute candle, that's a lot. That's a lot to take. 114, this one. So still volatility is very high, but the behavior is starting to change. I would go long here as a start point. I'm not going in, just waiting. So I'm not in. And be careful because it's in 7, maybe 5 minutes, news in 5 minutes. So I am not going to trade until the news are out. Saif, I don't think Saif is joining today. I don't know about tomorrow, but today, who's who's here tomorrow? Let's check. But Saif is not supposed to be here, so I'm not expecting him.
Um, I see cells, which is very nice,
Yeah,
to be honest. Not buys for me, but
no. Nice point there, retracement point. And there you go. 46 points. Very easy, but news are coming in. Ooh. 4 minutes. I'm going to wait. So, Saif is arranged for tomorrow. Whoever was asking for Saif, I don't, Shravan or something similar. Saif's coming in tomorrow. With that numbers, how many winners? 9 trades, how many winners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 7 winners. So it's 7 winners, 2 losses so far. Abhishek, Saif's in tomorrow, not today. So people on the chat, any trades open now? It's not the best moment to have a trade open with news coming in. Let me check. Tomorrow is myself, Saif, Samko, and Rajdeep.
Oh, you're doing tomorrow as well?
Yes, I am.
Back to
And
back.
Friday is Anand, Kashif, and Tofik. You have been traveling a lot, right, Sai?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been following
Yeah.
you on Instagram. Say he's a non-stop. He's not at home. How
I
do you
think,
even trade?
yeah. So I was traveling from December, and oh my God, travel, meetings, a lot of meetings.
Amazing. Well, that's because you're doing it great. So, congrats.
Not really, but yeah, just getting started.
And did you have time to trade?
Oh yeah, I trade from wherever I am, so I don't I don't pretty much just not trade when I'm traveling because you don't have any IP restrictions nowadays with most of the firms, right?
Oh, right. The IP restrictions. Yeah. Okay.
So
Someone's asking if you can share your analysis on your chart.
yeah, can do that. Let me share my screen.
All yours.
Can people see the screen?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So pretty much a classical AMD model playing out today. So Asia Open, push up, big distribution, and then there is a small sweep at the top, and then London started to play towards the downside. So probably assuming this is the manipulation leg. Um, so if this is the manipulation leg which we are looking at, then ideally this is the move which we are expecting, and then a continuation towards the downside. But we would have to see what the news brings us. Did news come?
Mm-hmm. Now
Um,
they released.
okay, it is negative. So the forecast was 46K, and we got like close to 22K, and not a great outcome or a move, to be honest. But pretty much, if we see, I think this was the liquidity sweep and then started to dump off. So the obvious target is somewhere here,
Hmm.
and shorts do look nice. The only thing is, can we enter here or we just wait? There's another one at 3 p.m. It's like 2 hours from now, which is ISM services.
Hmm. Let's check. So, oh, yeah, 3 p.m. Yeah, it's 4 p.m. for me. Yeah, wow. Plenty of news these 2 hours, so.
Yeah, I think this week was jam packed with news, right? Even
Hmm.
Monday had a news, and oh,
And then again, 30 minutes afterwards. So, oh, crazy. Too many news. Oh, okay, let's see. Let's see if it goes up a little bit and then I don't know. 50-50 I'm expecting. But since there's so many news, I'm not sure.
we're trying out a shot with a very small stop loss.
Nice. Rosa, can I check you through direct message? Can you reach me? Y- on my YouTube channel, I'm not sure, but I think there's my Telegram. So, but I think my Telegram is Rosa Lonzi, so it's my name. Okay, I'm on break even. 2 entries on the long side, already on break even. Took some profits already, and I'm about to be out and hit my break even for the rest of the position, or not. I don't know. Okay, I'm still in. Let me share, regardless of how it ends. Okay, there you there. So if you can see, I took a position here and another one here. So that one hit break even. I took some partials here, took some partials here, break even set, and now if it goes farther up, I'll be taking some more profits. Otherwise, there's nothing to do.
Hi guys,
Hey, hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing okay. Sorry guys, I'm late. I had a commitment somewhere, but now I'm here. Happy to see you guys.
Likewise.
Likewise, yeah.
Still on the trade. If it goes up a little bit more, I'll take some more profits. It's 40. Oh, I should have taken some more profits. Why didn't happen? Okay, I'm gonna close them. There. Why didn't it close together? So I'm out of the trades. 70 should have closed. Okay. Anyway, another profitable trade. Samuel, you are Samuel, right?
Yes, yes, I'm
Is
Samuel.
that your name? I'm not sure. I'm
Yes,
Samuel. Okay.
yeah,
So are you on any trade
yeah,
today? Have you been trading anything?
yeah. I've been on a trade, but I've held a trade since Monday. I've been on gold buys. Today I entered the trade, but got stopped out. Yeah, but yeah, it's part of the game. I took a setup in London, but yeah, hoping to see how New York will play out. And I'm still very bullish on gold. Yeah.
Since Monday.
I took a buy from, was it on Monday? It was actually on Tuesday from 4642. 4642 all the way, still holding till now.
Okay.
Seems it's still very.
Is it okay? Am I lagging? I'm not sure I'm lagging, but my internet is fine.
What do you
Can you hear
trade,
me?
Samuel?
Sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we can hear you, Rosa.
Okay.
What do you trade generally, Samuel? Like, is it only gold or like anything else as well?
I only trade gold, only primarily for the past year, 2 years now. It's only
Mm.
primarily gold. Yeah.
Me too. I only trade gold now. That's another buy to me. I'm not gonna take. I'll wait. But all right. Nope, no setup now. Oh, buy from there. Oh, wow. Okay, buy from there. But it's too late. Nothing. Gold effects, you are expecting 5,100. Yeah, it could be. 50-50. I was expecting 50-50. And I think it hit already. Nearly there. Oh no, 50-54. Yeah, so it hit. Oh, close that.
Wow. With the way gold is going, I think we might have a setup.
Upward.
We might. Yeah. Let me.
Do you want to share?
Okay. Give me. Let me refine it.
That was a buy. 38 points.
Yeah.
Okay, I've seen your message, farming. I'll reply later, okay?
It's okay. Let me.
Not yet.
I'll stop sharing just in case it's not. You can share yours.
Okay.
No?
It's loading. It's loading. Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Okay, it's coming. Let's see.
I think they would have to approve it.
Yeah.
Not yet.
I have a lot of tabs open. Guess that's why it's quite laggy.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Try to close everything as much as you can, otherwise it's very, very slow.
Yes. So yeah, I believe right now we are okay. So you can see my screen?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Okay.
Now,
Let me
sometimes you have to
change.
stop sharing and then reshare again.
Okay. And right now,
No,
is my screen visible?
Not yet.
you're freezed, actually. Your face freezed.
Not yet. Seems you're
Nope,
having a technical issue.
not yet.
Okay. What about now? Can you see my screen?
Your no, and your face
Wow.
moves very,
Wow.
very slowly. It's like
Okay. Let
it's
me let me
freeze.
let me try. Stop sharing it. Okay. Am I have I become unfrozen?
A bit
Okay.
better.
Let me
Very,
try to
very
exit,
slow, but better.
then enter again. Give me a minute.
Sure.
Right now, I guess mine on my end it's
Nope.
okay. Let me check my internet.
He was supposed to exit.
Nope.
Maybe you guys can be continuing before I sort out my internet issues.
Okay.
No worries, my man.
Yeah.
Hi, Rosa, Sai, Samuel. Who's this? Shishir. Can you look at Euro USD? Okay.
Euro USD. Okay. Go for it.
What are we seeing?
Hello.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi,
So
Shishi.
yeah, so basically we are at this important level in Euro USD, which has been tested multiple times, which you can see over here, right? So it tried to break out here, it almost came here, it tried and then dumped, it did a retest and then again dumped. So this is a very important level to watch on a swing basis. If you are watching for a swing, and if you are doing something like on intraday basis, just to see what are we looking at. So the structure looks bullish to me. It came towards the support, and it tried to give a breakout, but the breakout I don't see it very strong. So if you see what is happening, you see all of these wicks which are on the buying side. Look at this wick. So it basically tried to give a breakout over here, failed the breakout, tried to give a second breakout, and again a rejection, tried to give a third breakout, and again another rejection. So I think this is just inducing the buyers, right? So it's just inducing the buyers so that it can, people think that okay, it is at a demand zone and start buying, but probably it would reverse out from here. So on a intraday basis, we see this liquidity sweep in London and then a breakdown of this area. It did sweep the low also. So currently it is in this range. So first of all, we would have to decide on where is it planning to go forward. But this sweep is very strong. So you see this is like the area where it went towards the demand zone, swept liquidity, came back, although it did sweep the lows as well. But if you see, this is the premium and the discount range, right? So if you even do a Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, this will come somewhere around zero point 0.6 to zero point 0.7 area. And for your ICT fans, this is the fair value gap where it kind of rejected from. So a lot of reasons for you to be on the sell bias rather than on the buy bias. Looking at how buyers were pretty much weak around the entire section, although there was an internal breakout on the higher time frame. On the 4 hour, there is a breakout, but pretty much inclined towards the sell bias. That's what I see on the Euro USD. I hope it helped.
I haven't traded. Euro USD like in?
It is pretty much it is pretty much a good pair to trade. Just that it moves from one liquidity zone to another liquidity zone, and
Mm.
um, it is pretty much a good thing to trade. So gold, uh, we still have to see what is it planning to do. Mm, because on the buy side, I don't see a major liquidity sweep for it to continue. If if it actually swept this, I would be much more confident in the buy. But
Mm.
I don't see a major sweep of liquidity anywhere. Um, Although it did sweep these and then did a reverse, but there is no internal breakout, right? So this was the last high which was supposed to be broken out for buys to happen, right? Yeah, I am I am not a scalper like Rosa where I trade the 1 minute time frame. I look at the higher time frames like 5 and 15 minutes. My stop losses on average are like 100, 200 pips in the current volatility. So don't judge me on my analysis. I'm just giving my view. But for me to even look longs, I need a structure breakout towards the upside, and I don't see any clear liquidity sweep. So if there is a clear liquidity sweep and then a structure breakout, I would be much more interested to basically go for towards the buying side. But for me, at least, as I already said, gold on the intraday bias. So you see what is happening. This was the push towards the upside, and this was the liquidity sweep. So this distribution, this was the manipulation leg, and this might be the continuation leg. I am not sure if it will play out or not. Um, why am I much inclined? Because one, there is no liquidity sweep. Two, there is no structure break. So if at all it gives a breakout, then I might be looking for buys. But currently in this zone, I'm not interested to buy. I'm
Yeah.
more inclined towards the sells. That's what I see in gold.
Amazing analysis.
Thank you, man.
I believe now you can hear me.
Yeah, yeah. I think probably you can share your screen as well. I'll stop sharing.
Okay.
Probably you can try doing that and see how it is. People are asking how long have you been trading?
I've been trading for the past 4 years and profitable the last 2.5 years, 2.5 years is when really profitability kicked in. Yeah. Is my screen visible now?
Not yet. I still see my screen. Structure breakout on what time frame? Ideally, I would want something on a 15 minutes time frame to at least go long, right? So, yeah,
Yeah.
if you're trading the 1 minute time frame, then that's a different story altogether. You can probably look at 10 minutes and get away with it. But for
Yeah.
me, this is the structure where the bullish leg or the bearish leg started, and I
Yeah.
want a breakout above this for me to consider converting into bullishness. But
Yes.
that's the case. Thank you. Rosa, what you say about gold scalping nowadays?
Scalping is selling, and it's been buying since now, but it's about to retrace. Well, the retrace is already happening, and when I'm saying that, okay, already done 70 points. I was ready to enter shorts.
Yeah.
I think
Uh,
nowadays your stop losses are also like so big, right? Even on 1 minute time frame, the gold movements are like very, very crazy.
yes, they are.
Okay. I believe now you can be able to see my screen.
Yep,
Yes, we can.
finally.
Okay. So I've been on buys since this point over here. And the reason why I had put a small scalp position over here was because I normally trade mostly price action and CRT. CRT more CRT, I use it more as my entry criteria, and price action I just basically go with the trend. And the reason I put this short scalp over here was I usually love the higher time frame a lot. You mean 1 hour going up, and Um, from the 12th hour, we can see that we have really still, our are still very bullish with liquidity zones way above the 12th hour high. So we haven't yet taken the 12th hour high. And this can be your first target if you're looking for buys in the scalp. And for the scalp idea, it came from me having the confluences of the higher time frame bias of us being bullish and now going down to the lower time frame and looking for the continuation of the same. So the 12th hour is bullish. As you can see, also the 8 hour is still very bullish. Same to the 6 hour. Actually, the 6 hour will close in around 2 hours, but it's kind of also forming a CRT. 4 hour is also very bullish and it's also closing in around 18 minutes and it's also kind of showing weakness and also trying to close as a CRT after reacting from this fair value gap over here. Remember, our daily bias, from our daily bias, we are still very bullish because once we took this low over here, let me draw it. We
Bro,
took out.
what RR is that? 1:100,000?
This is a one is this is 1:50, and currently I'm in a flip. I don't encourage these guys, but I really entered with a very small stop loss, risking around $200, and right now it's currently running around $9,000. But it was a very sniper entry, but what I'm really explaining about this is, as you can see, we took out this low from this leg. Remember, we are very bullish, fundamentally bullish because of what's happening with the US, the US shutdown, Ukraine, and you can see that we are fundamentally still very bullish. And this was, for me, was basically a pullback into this key area. Let me draw it into this key area. And once we came here, we really dumped. We really dumped to this point and then reacted. And once we took out that low, we saw this high being taken out and us closing above. So when I was entering today, fundamentally I was bullish and I was looking for buys only because since we closed above this high, there is no reason for me to look for sales all through until we take out this high. So my first point should be this high. And I drew the fib. Now this fib, I usually use it to extend, to know where the possible places that gold might go to. And after we break this leg, I am looking at 6,346, but that's a swing trade idea. But as of now, very bullish, hoping that today will also close bullish. If we continue with the idea, the small scalp idea, which is headed to stop loss, kinda. The reason I decided to take this small scalp over here was I saw that we had corrected and now we are basically making a lower high, waiting now to make a higher high. And what confirmed to me was this CRT pattern on the 30-minute that showed me that the first, once we closed inside this previous bar, that it's really willing for us to go up. But just as like my brother said, that until we close above this point is when you can have clear bullishness or clear idea that we are bullish. And if we try, if we dare close above this, then you can take that entry and even ride it all the way up. This is my first exit zone because we have a lot of supply over here. There's a lot of supply pressure around the 5,000 240 area, which I hope will definitely not hold, so that we push above that. But so far, still very bullish. In a bit of drawdown with this small trade idea, which I normally usually just go for a normal 1:3. But if you want to extend, just go with how the market structure is going: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and putting your stops where the lower lows and lower highs are, so that you can be safe and not lose all your money. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at currently at gold. Still very bullish. Yeah.
That's impressive. I've never been able to trade the way you trade. Just trying to check all these time frames and
Imagine
understanding
holding
what
for
they
1 is
want
to
to tell
50,
you.
Rosa.
Sorry, say again?
Imagine holding it for 1 is to 50.
No, no, I can't die. Come on.
You won't have peace in life.
No, 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 no. I'll die for sure. So you'll have to visit me at the hospital. That's no. I was listening and I couldn't breathe already. Like, oh, why? Very different styles. Still, all of them are valid, of course, but yeah, not something I can hold on.
Okay, makes sense. Yeah.
And how do you manage the swaps uh, when you trade for over a week or 2 weeks?
Basically, with the swaps, I go for brokers who offer zero swaps in exchange for commission. So
Oh,
when you enter a trade, they do take the commission, but they have zero swaps. So that's why I'm able to hold trades for longer.
it makes sense. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's my analysis of gold as of now. If anything, if one is looking to trade, buys would be the safest probability. Yeah. Because it aligns with the higher time frame, and it's very hard for that higher time frame to change character like the lower time frame does. Yeah.
More news coming in 12 minutes.
It was at 3 o'clock, right?
Yeah, your time, it's 3 o'clock.
Uh, no, it's 1:48. That's 1 hour more.
Uh, it says in 12 minutes. So,
No,
yeah,
no. Which news? I don't see it.
the job openings.
Job openings.
Oh, it's because sorry, I'm having a look at investing.com. So if you are on Forex Factory, let's
Yeah, it's not in here. I think it's not high impact at least.
no, not high impact here. Okay, it's 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so then it means I can trade.
Yeah.
I still have time. In the meantime, PMI services. Okay, so I still have nearly an hour. Okay. Wow. Bullish candles in 1 minute time frame. Bullish candles are something else. Wow, that one's crazy. Holding overnight. Let's break down Nasdaq.
Okay. I think I can.
Um,
Should I?
yeah, go for it.
I can remove my screen so that you can be able to share and analyze
Oh no,
Nasdaq.
I'm not analyzing Nasdaq. I only do gold. So
Okay, okay, okay. Seems like gold is deciding to be now bullish.
gold, I'm on break even already again. I didn't take any partials on this trade, but I put break even because the candle above was extremely high,
Yeah,
and now I'm about to be hit break even.
I'm sorry about that.
So that's all right. It happens so many times. It didn't happen yet, but
Yeah.
go's thinking about it. So yeah, go for it if you want to analyze Nasdaq.
Okay, let's see Nasdaq 100. So for Nas, I really don't trade Nas, but with how I trade, um, I believe let's see what the markets have for us today. Hmm. Yeah. So if I was to analyze this, I definitely draw the previous day low and the previous day high. This being my draw on liquidity. So with this previous day, like 2 days ago, I think this was on with Monday's high being taken out, I'd definitely now look for yesterday's low to be taken out, and also now Monday's low to be also taken out, because that's the nearest draw to liquidity. Um, when you go to the 12 hour, we can also see it's quite very bearish actually, and we have printed an inside bar over here inside this 12-hour engulfing candle. So normally how I trade inside bars is the side which the inside bar has been broken off by the previous candle or the current candle is the side that the market really wants to flow in. So already coming in, I already see Nasdaq being very bearish today. See the 8 hour. Okay. I think this weekless candle was also taken out. This low hasn't been taken out. This is also my current draw on liquidity. 6 hour. This is also, let's see how it goes. Yeah, this is also our current draw on liquidity, because we in the 6 hour we've already made a CRT. Remember, the more the higher time frame, the higher time frames, when they all say the same story, that's the likelihood that the trade will go in your direction. Okay, so for example, right now we can already see that this made a CRT taking this high. So already Nasdaq is already has a lot of selling pressure. Yeah. So if I was to enter, let's see the 3 hour, 1 hour. I'd definitely wait for a break of structure, but now this is in 1 hour, so it will take a lot of time. Let's see. Yeah. So this trade, I'd wait for it to close below this candle, and then look for a retracement into the zone. So basically something like this, then wait for a pullback either to there or to this order block, and then push all the way down. So anywhere in between this retracement, when I see an entry criteria of maybe exhaustion or a change of character, then it will definitely be clear for sales. So yeah, this is good. So already it kind of broke. So if I was to put a trade on this, it will be short position, somewhere like that. Target to swing high, then just target a 1:3. It is to reward. That's that's the minimum I usually go for. 1:3. So we'd wait for us to be tagged and then see how it goes from there. So anywhere in between here, you can get a retracement. Anywhere between this leg, you can get a retracement to the downside.
Good.
Yeah. So if I was trading Nasdaq, I'm definitely bearish for the day.
Is your gold trade already active? Some see she's asking.
Yeah, the gold trade is up. The gold trade is up. Um, let's go to it's still struggling, but it's already in blues. And in the 1 minute, we've already changed character to the upside, which is a clear indication for me that it really does want to go up. So yeah, the gold trade is still up and running, and yeah, we are in blues. As you can see, the 15-minute candle is engulfing. Yeah, so those are my current analysis on the market. Let's see.
Good. I'm waiting for someone's saying I'm waiting for 5 minutes trend line breakout to go long. Um, yeah, I've already closed my buy in profits. So now it might break this area, the the um, the price where it's right now,
Oh,
but I think it's
gold.
going to, yeah, gold.
Yeah.
It might reverse at least 40 pips from here,
Mm,
from where it is now.
yeah.
40, 50 pips, more than happy, and then it might go up. Oh, it's about to give me the 40 pips. Hit.
Oh, good. Good. Good.
Nas not back that much. Yeah, so Nas pretty much see it's overall a very small profile day. Whenever there is a very small profile day in Nas, the major momentum would come with end movements. So whatever analysis you would do on Nas before by opens, it is just gonna flip everything. But
SAAI,
yeah,
something's going on with your mic
Yeah,
or
you can
Samuel.
see it clearly.
There's like an echo.
uh,
Yeah, we can see it clearly.
not sure. Can you both go on here? Is it one of
No, still there.
mic check, mic check? Yeah, I think not
There's
sure.
like some echo.
Yeah, I didn't change anything to be honest. Is
Okay,
it
the
better?
retracement took place. So all cells out, please, and get ready for another buy. That's what I was saying this morning for scalpers. Today, gold is like, this is the behavior I like. It's an ATM for scalpers today. Yeah, it's instant money over and over. All right. I wish every day would be like this one. Uh, all right. Let's go for. Mhm.
Now back at entry on gold. Back at entry.
At your entry point, entry level.
Yes.
Okay. I'm sorry, but it's going down a little bit more.
Yeah. This is really it's really going down, but still
But
hopeful.
there's too many news today just to hold that rate for long. That's why I'm just and I enter and I exit just to pick up a few bucks and then I'm out
Yeah.
because too many news, people just letting go or thousands and millions of orders just because of the news. So I wouldn't hold anything over this news.
Yeah. News can really mess up.
Um, it's okay. Live accounts 102, 104.
Let's see if I-
With how many prop firms account? How many accounts do you usually work on your daily routine?
Personally, I have an account with FTMO, funding Pips, and funded next.
But how many? Not the companies, but the accounts. How many accounts?
Oh, I have like five accounts, five Profam accounts, and two live accounts.
Hmm.
Yeah. So okay,
Do you
let's
also trade futures or CFDs only?
only CFDs, but I'm researching on how I can also get into futures.
Hmm.
It's really been really enticing, especially with the zero spread and things like that. So I'm also thinking of entering into futures very soon. Right now, I'm just researching on it.
Hmm.
Yes.
So still room for some other trade. What time is it?
Actually, for the gold one, we might get a deeper retracement, just like you said, because I'm not seeing the 1 hour closed after it had taken this high, which I really wanted it to close above. So not quite sure about it. Let me see 30 minutes. 30 minutes also closed as a CRT. 3 hours, 15 minutes. Yeah, it's really closing bearish. It's really gold is really showing that it's really having a lot of weakness in this area right here, showing that there are a lot of sellers in this area that buyers can't seem to get past. So because of these rejections, if I would put my stop loss around here because it is showing a lot of bearish potential. Now it seems like they want to target the area of buyers who are over here. So until we break above this, that's when really buys will be flying high. But still then, sellers, there are a lot of sellers in this area. For the NAS trade, I'm not sure how it's going. It's still going down. Not yet at a 1:1, but it's still dumping properly. I can see that we got tagged in and it's still now falling into the downside. If we see how the 1 hour closed, it really closed well as a continuation to the downside. So this is a confident trade. And if in the next 1 hour we close anything above this last candle, definitely put your stops above the previous candle because there is high chances and high probability that it will go down. So for the NAS trade, we are in blues. We got tagged in and in blues around now. We are around zero point 0.5, around 0.4 or 0.5% up. So yeah, those that is what I'm currently looking at.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shishi, 1 hour for the next news. Now gold is on an area I don't like it, so I'm gonna wait for a few minutes. But I'm inclined to buy. But I have to wait.
Yeah. Patience is key. Patience in this game is key, especially with gold. Gold tends to show that it wants to go a certain way. Then all of a sudden, the last few minutes or seconds, it just makes a complete reversal.
Hmm.
So patience is key, especially with trading gold. Let's stay on the trade. Yeah.
Let's see, let's see. People on the chat, any trades? Are you on any trade right now? On a 15 minute Shishi, especially the action happens on the last 1 minute in gold. Yes. Even in 1 minute candles, I always wait. It's basic just to wait for the last few seconds. Same with 15 minutes and 45 minutes.
Yeah.
This time frame in gold for me is key because every 45 minutes gives you a lot of information about what's going to happen in the last few minutes. So you wait for the last one candle, 45 minutes candle, and then you wait. Um, but I do that. I do so on 1 minute candle.
Mhm.
All right.
Yeah. Gold seems to not go our way. I guess let's see how gold is going. Guess we are it's on the verge of being stopped out. It is part of the game, part of the game.
Mm.
Yeah.
Ready for a retracement? Back up.
Yeah. Yeah. It's showing some signs of reversing.
Reversal down. 60 pips down. I didn't enter long though. Wow, Shishi, you blew the master account just because you forgot to place your stop loss. Well, it's a pity, but we have all been there. Out of mistake or greediness or whatever, I just blew up two accounts, one stage account in both cases this week. 50K funding pips account. That's it.
Oh, you're
But
trading the 50Ks now?
sorry,
You're trading the 50Ks now?
it's because I didn't when the offer came up, they there wasn't any offer for the 100K.
Ah,
So I
okay.
had to buy 50K like a month and a half or two ago, and I didn't have time to trade these accounts. So I have one master already, and last week I started trading them with all the volatility, and I went all in. It's all in or nothing because 50K I'm not used to trade these accounts, so I have to buy new accounts. I only have one now. Do you trade a 100K account, I assume?
Yeah, always 100K.
The two stages or the one step?
Yeah, that was
Same, likewise, yeah. These are the ones I always buy. Is there any discount now for the 100K?
not really. You know,
Mm,
just the beginners, maybe. Yeah, a new member joining FP. Yeah, I think you might get a 20% off.
okay.
I think you could use OT code ROSA. I think it also has a code.
Mm.
All of all of it has a code.
Shishi, I think you can actually copy trade in between the funding pips accounts, but the copy trader, the master, has to be in one of the accounts. So you're not allowed to copy from outside to funding pips, if that makes any sense. I don't usually copy trade funding pips accounts. It's a pity if it was your first ever master, but take it easy, keep going. That's it.
Name the tool for copy.
There's still some echo when you talk, Sai.
I don't.
Yeah,
I kind of switched on. Or
but it was perfect before, so I don't know what's the reason.
I switched it off now. Is it still there?
Oof,
Oof,
even
even
worse.
worse.
No, I'm
No,
just
I'm just
hearing
hearing
myself.
myself. Okay, let me just.
I'm quite curious. I'd love to know how you guys have adjusted to the current volatility, especially with your risk management.
Can you still hear the echo?
Yes.
Uh, I'm not sure then. I switched off. I changed my.
Okay, yeah, right now we can hear you.
Samuel, what I did is I lower my risk.
Yeah,
If I usually trade, let's say, one contract, then half. If it's still too much, a quarter, because the volatility was crazy. So, and you cannot risk it.
true, true. So you trade futures?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Sishi, the tool I use is Traders Connect for CFD platforms.
That's no, it's like something's weird with the mic. I'm listening myself again, so
Is it still the case?
I think it's better now.
Okay,
Yeah, it's way better.
that's good.
Traders Connect. I don't know Traders Connect.
Yeah, it is Traders Connect. That's what we use.
Is it a copy trading software?
Yes, it is a copy trading software for CFD prop firms.
Hmm.
So you could probably just use that. Can it be used on challenge accounts also, all FP? Yeah, you can. I use it to copy all my FP accounts as well as multiple different prop firms. It
Hmm.
works pretty smooth.
And you pay per account?
It's $10 per account. So how
Okay.
many ever accounts you want, you can basically. Ideally, what I do is I don't copy trade all of them together.
Hmm.
So for example, let's take an example of like funding pips. So I can maximum copy trade three accounts. So I just take the three plan, and I don't trade all of the accounts together. So what I can do is I can basically switch off the other accounts and then
Hmm.
connect another Proform account and then trade it. So it becomes like I don't have to pay like for like 10 accounts at once because
Okay.
I can just reuse the same connection for other prop firms when I'm not using funding pips. That's the only
Hmm.
case. If you want to use my link, just try using like tradersconnect.com, and REF reference is equal to UOT. It's the same everywhere. Or you could probably find the link in my Discord if you're already there.
Massive volatility now in this 1 minute candle. The one just closed.
Okay, we have a very big sell order coming on gold right
Yeah.
now. So can see
I just closed because I was on a buy. I closed some profits. I had the break even and it closed my trade 80 points below my break even.
uh,
How's that? That's a real account, by the way.
I mean, the slippage right now is so crazy. I was trading another prop firm. You won't believe, like, insane slippage. I was just on two lots,
Mm.
and I kept my stop loss around 1400, yeah, 1500, and the trade got exited around $3,900. That's
Yeah.
crazy slippage.
Huh.
Like, what the hell?
What was
Eh,
that? All right. Nope, nope, nope. Saif, stream snippet is asking, where do you see that big sell order?
You would have to use the futures chart to know the volumes, and you can subscribe to what do you call the
Data?
the level two data,
Oh, level
and
2.
yeah, so you could see the orders coming in. Then.
Mm-hmm. Let's see how it reacts to the next level upwards. You're not actually used to the social media, Shishi. I pay for real data on the futures, which and then I see the volumes, but I've never subscribed for the level 2. It might be interesting to do it. I'm expecting a little push to the upwards now, a little bit, like 50, 60 pips, and then moving down crazy. I'm not sure it's going to happen. No, not happening. Should have happened by now. $50.55 is a level I have marked as the next level before the next 2 hours.
50.55.
50.55 in the next 2 hours. But because there's so many news, when there's that many news, I'm a bit lost on interpreting what gold might do, because everything moves different.
Yes.
Come on, go up. No.
Six minutes to open, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, we see the big push now after the sell big order.
Yep.
Nice.
Is the sell order already out?
No, I see buyers have tried coming in and they got absorbed. So it is sells from here. That's what I see. And if this level breaks, the level which is right now, it is just gonna flush. So
SAAI,
yeah.
would you kindly share your charts? I'd love to see how you've marked out your cells.
Yeah, can do that. Yeah, so I guess you can see the chart.
Yes, yes, yes. Can I see the chart?
Yeah, so pretty much the analysis was same. We just tried to go up. We rejected from here. We just again pushed down, making a lower low. So this level has been holding. Just looking at this level, if we can try to flush down. So just if you want to see the orders, I'll just show it to you. I'm anyways in this short, which I told you guys. Just a second. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so these are the big orders which are just marked out. It only shows the bigger ones, like if someone is trying to be aggressive. So this was, as I said in the price action analysis, this was the sweep, and we started to dump. You see a very big sell order over here. Price tried to retrace back, again tried to dump, retrace back, again it sweep, push down, retracement, and you see a very big sell order at my entry where I took. So you see it is like 115 and 91. So that is one of the biggest sell orders for today. So you see this is 53, 53, very small orders, but 115 and 91 is like one of the biggest which we have seen in the recent times, right? This is 102, the sell order, which got sold off, again 50, which got sold off. So pretty much a very big sell order. So you can see the same which is going right now. So it'll just flush if it starts to go down. That's the only thing. So just a mix of like order flow and price action is more than enough for you guys. So as I said, I was not very confident in buys anyways.
Yeah. Yeah. That's quite solid, especially now when you're using order flow, which is like an extra set of binoculars that you have, which is very nice.
Yeah, it just gives the confirmation on the buyers.
Yeah.
Right. So okay, it's a flip on the NAS. As I said, 2 minutes to open. Let's see what happens.
Mm.
So if you want to see the NAS, right, look at where it actually pushed. It is very good for scalping, right? So you can probably scalp. Look at this. Look at this order. Like this is the very big order on NAS where it. I thought it will come until here. This is one key level, but this is where it kind of flipped. So it
Yeah.
was a very big buy order, just flipped it from there, retracement, and then a continuation move. So it is just continuing. Yeah, it can flush down and then take liquidity off somewhere here and then again reverse. But it just helps to understand what is happening internally on why the move is like actually playing out. So you have a very big buyer which is sitting over here who doesn't want price to let go down.
Yes.
So as per price action, you did take a shot over here which got liquidated because of that. So, uh,
What software do you use? Is it Ninja Trader?
so this is a very new software which I started using. I'm also like kind of very new to this. I've been using Deep Charts before. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
the Bookmap before for all of
Okay.
this, but I just recently shifted to Deep Charts, which is pretty nice to be honest. They have a lot of indicators, templates. Okay, that's the open. Yeah, we see the flush towards the downside again. Does the buyer absorb again or it's so nice to see on 1 minute time frame to be honest. Let's see what happens. So that's the open. This is where it could potentially take a support, but let's see. Gold is flushing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you see the big sell order 571. That is one of the biggest ever, right? 71, 71, 71.
Yeah.
So for it to take support, there should be a very big buyer over here sitting to absorb all those sellers. Otherwise, it's just flushing down. Right, so it just gives a confirmation you're just not taking a blind entry from the level.
Mm.
And we can see gold in a profit of like $900, just running the same shot. Just want a flush down below over here. Let's see if we can get that 1500, 1600, 1700.
Dumping
Yeah,
property.
1800, 1900.
Crazy.
Yeah, pretty good.
And it keeps falling. Good.
Also, if you remember, Rosa, last time when we spoke, the levels, like it's pretty much intact. So we see a buy from here. It almost came towards the level and started to dump. And if you remember the 830 level, which I told, right? So
Mm.
this is the 830 level where you see a dump down, a retest of 830 level, and then a dump again.
Yeah.
Look at the move, guys. Look at the move. So we are currently at 3,700 profit. More sellers are adding. These are impulsive sellers right now, looking at the big sell candle, thinking that, oh, this will sell. So that's the short playing out. I've been short from the morning in the stream. I told you guys.
Amazing. Yeah, yeah, well done.
Yeah, as I said, I'm not like a scalper like you
Yeah.
guys. My trades are very big. So my stop losses are also very big. It's like an intraday trade where you might capture like a 1:1, 1:2.
Amazing stuff, Sai.
All right. Uh, uh, uh. Wow, it's crazy. Now it's when it retraces back up the whole way, like the 300-400 pips.
Yeah, it's from the same level I just marked. So you can see this is the level you see buyers stepping in,
Hmm.
pushing from around this level.
Yeah.
Level 2 data can be subscribed on any of the trading futures platforms, like any of them. It doesn't have to be deep charts. It can be bookmap. It can be. There are a lot of tools, volumetrica, a lot of them.
Mm. I just blew 2 futures accounts on this selling, but that's the robot. That's the expert advisor I have. I don't take any action.
So sorry about that. Those are some
Just
beautiful shells there.
don't worry. I'll just buy more in a bit, and that's it.
You know whose code to use, right, Rosa?
Huh?
Yeah.
You know whose code to use, right?
I know. UXO UTO.
It's right at the top.
I know.
UOT.
I know. I know. I know. I know.
All right, guys. We see a flush. We are currently running at like 5,000 profit. Pretty
Yeah.
smooth trade.
Fantastic.
They give you the live feed, right? Yeah, all of the futures platforms will give you a live feed. You just have to request the data. All right, guys. Who got the sell? Uh, Anyone got the sell?
No.
That cell was
I
beautiful. Got stopped out.
she took it on silver.
Amazing, man. Crazy dump, man. 700 pips.
This level you have marked there, is it the 830?
This one?
Yeah, is it
Yeah,
830? It says, right? Okay,
yeah.
okay.
This is the 830. It just retested and dumped from there as usual. I told you. I
As
told you last
usually.
time also, if you remember
Mm-hmm.
in the stream.
I know. But I don't see it clearly. So yeah, okay.
Yeah, it is 830. So we are going for a flip, guys. So you see candle basically going up, and this is the open of the candle, right? So we are just going for a red candle for the day. So as I said, this is a distribution leg, and we did the manipulation near the London, and New York will just continue the manipulation leg and try to convert into the sell, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's just the AMD pattern. Try to understand what the sessions are doing. Try to understand price action. Price action is the key. If you understand price candles, it's pretty much easy to trade. You don't have to like complicate things, to be honest.
All right.
Okay, there are quite some people at least got the sell.
Mm.
That's nice. It's nice, guys. Congrats on your profits.
It's 15 minutes, nearly 20 minutes. No news coming up. Good. 120 pips, that's crazy. Do you have a target, SAAI? Just to, or did you close already?
Not yet.
Okay.
Checking out at break even on the NAS trade.
Mm-hmm.
That sucks, but hopefully tomorrow will be a better day.
It might go down way more than that. Guys, I have to leave a bit early today, so I'm already leaving the live stream.
Okay.
All
Talk to
right.
you soon, okay, guys?
Yeah, I also. It's okay, Rosa. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rosa. It was nice. I'll also take a leave. I think I'll just close my position. We are in a profit of almost $8,000.
Fantastic.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Sai.
That was a good trade and a good session. So I hope.
Good session for you, of course. Good, good. Okay, talk to you, to everyone.
See you
Bye.
Okay.
See
guys.
you
Bye
time.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.